Looks like we have a big boy truck here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1999 Ford F-350 Super Duty XLT Crew Cab 4x4. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirmed miles, a little over 177,000 on this one. 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel, manual transmission. Now in the manual transmission, I guess if you want to consider it a 6-speed or a 5-speed with a granny gear. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front grille, fascia, headlights. Take your time looking through the still pictures on this one. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a peek at the aftermarket wheels. Looks like fuel wheels. Bridgestone radials. Take a peek down this passenger side. We'll get into some of the details too when we get around to the rear, but tell you a few things about this truck. See, the side glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint. Split bench seat up front. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that interior. We'll also pull it outside, start it up, let you hear it run. My co-workers here get a little riled up when I start the diesels indoors, so we'll get it outside, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Jason's going to take it for a drive at the end of the video. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, now you see the exhaust tip there. That is an 8-inch. It has 5-inch MBRP stainless exhaust on it. You'll be able to see that in the underside pics. Also has new glow plugs, fresh oil change with AMS oil. Cruise works well, the tech stated. Diffs and tranny fluids were good. Transfer case works properly. Has a Hydra chip tune. Brakes are 80% or better at all 4 corners. And a leaf was added. That's where you're getting your stance from. Did notice this one cab corner. So we do have some rock chips down in the lower portions. A little corrosion right in that cab corner. And again, you can see little rock chips on that lower portion. Paint shows all right. Missing a little clear here. Is it perfect? No, but well-maintained truck that's ready to roll. 205 cc, 100% nozzle injectors. Also recently done. Let's take a peek at this interior. And then, like I said, I'll get it outside when you start it up. You can hear it run. Jason's going to take it for a drive. So, of course, your monitor amenities, power windows, power locks. Again, split bench seat. Cruise control. And as mentioned earlier, that is working. Headliner looking good. Rear seating area. A little wear on that armrest. And again, take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll see the interior, engine bay undersides. This does have a receiver in the rear of it also. That's a B&W gooseneck receiver. Exact miles 177,225. Aftermarket Pioneer stereo system. All right. Gives you an idea as far as the exterior, some of the service work that's done to it. Again, 1999 Ford F-350 Super Duty XLT Crew Cab. That's 7.3 liter Power Stroke diesel, 4x4 of course. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to pause this, we'll get it outside, we'll get this thing fired up, let you hear it run, we'll take a peek underneath the hood, and then Jason's going to take it for a spin. All right, we got it outside. Let's let the glow plugs go here just a bit. I'll fire this up. Did notice stereo system is working too once we got out here with the keys on. Nice sounding custom stereo too, by the way. Alright, no check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Gauges are working, tach's working. Sorry, it is a little windier day here. You may pick up a little wind in the background noise. Give you an idea how it sounds. And I did put that prop rod in there. We had the hood held open by the struts that were on it, but out here in the wind, I didn't want it to come down. They were just borderline, so that's why you see that prop rod in there. There you go, and you get to see it out here in the sun. So like I said, stick around just a bit longer. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Any questions, call us, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1999 Ford F-350. As you can tell, diesel powered. What a fun truck. Jacked up just a little bit. Awesome hood on it. We have a Pioneer stereo on the dash.
Change your life by joining a marathon.
That sounds amazingly good because there's also a subwoofer. Our gauges are working as they should. The oil pressure is just above half. The battery is also just above half. The fuel is a little less than half. Our tachometer is working, and is the speedometer. AC's blowing cold in this truck. Brakes are working as they should. Now we're in second gear, taking the roundabout. I did not use low. We have low 1, 2, 3, 4, and drive, which would be an overdrive. Get the revs up just a little bit to hear that turbo whine. Great running truck. Ready to do some work or just have some fun? Take a look at all the pictures of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.